on day number 26 of the September Madness Automation Challenge, and today I'm going to show you how you can build your very own AI chatbot without any coding, right? So that anyone can do this, just click and deploy it onto your website, right? So today we're actually going to be using Agent here, right? This is a guy called Liam Otley, right? This is his website. He's at the forefront of AI automation, right? And he's made this website for creating agents with no code, right? Completely stripped down barriers to entry, no needed for high coding knowledge needed. And yeah, you can even learn how to do it yourself. And yeah, the website had quite a big freshen up since the last time I used it. Okay, so yeah, so let's go ahead and make an agent. So today I'm thinking the agent should be a classic, like an all-rounded example for us. So it can be a restaurant, a pizza restaurant, right? And this agent can be deployed on the website, so you can answer questions about the food, dietary needs, all that stuff, right? And much more. Okay, so before we actually create an agent, you actually want to create the knowledge base. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. So I'll go with you step by step on this. Okay, knowledge base name is going to be a restaurant man. All right, and put your key in, and yeah, so you're gonna drag in some files, right? So it says 5 max at a time, so you can put more than 5 in, but at a time, right? This is more like a pseudo thing. I've generated these 3, so this is about food. I had the calories. All right, so it turns out it doesn't support CSV, right? So all you have to do is do CSV to PDF convert and just convert. Yep, there you go. Download all 3 of these, and then yeah, just take them all here and put them in. All right, successfully uploaded, and I think that's it for the knowledge base. Okay, so let's just go back, and now let's go ahead and create our agent. Okay, so restaurant agent Bingley. All right, write a short description of what he will do. All right, so let me do that quickly. All right, so let's just start off with this, like a short prompt. See, we can improve it later. And use the cheapest model is 3.5, I think, right? Because if you're not doing anything technical, you don't need these 4, right? You just see that, and then link your API key, and then you have this, all right? So it will present you as this. Just connect our knowledge base quickly. So that's one, all right. So tools is tools are for like connecting other APIs, right? So say if you want a common example is, say if you need the current price of Bitcoin, you would find a Bitcoin API and you connect it here. I've done it before, but for this it's literally local, right? So you're using this knowledge base you put in yourself, right? Don't need to worry about tools for now. For prompt, this is where you're gonna wanna like flesh out what you should do, right? So the example they're giving us here is a question answer, the general description of what you do. And yeah, we'll see. Let me write something else if I can put here. Maybe this is it, right? Maybe this is fine. Let's give it a try, right? Let's take a look at one of our knowledge base and let's try to ask a question about it. All right, so let's just see. We have this is generated, but I never made these, right? So it's just made up. Let's just say, are there any foods we can eat that do not have a gluten ledger? Right, let's see if we can do that. Hi, is there any food on the menu I can eat as I have a gluten allergy? Right? And there you go. It's literally as simple as that. If you're literally just using nothing crazy, you don't need to write too much in here. If you're fine with all of this, right? All of this being public information, right? Don't put anything crazy, okay? So you just literally write something just as simple as this. Just use a knowledge base to answer questions, right? You don't need to do anything crazy if your thing is just quite simple, okay? Just what you need here and what you need here, right? And yeah, I've got this will be responded to right there. Okay, let me test the other 2. So staff working hours. Let's just ignore the staff working hours because that's kind of weird. Actually, I've included that. Maybe I don't know what kind of business anyone else is running, but let's just try the operation. So let's just say let's take a look at operations and see if we can ask a question about that. So we have a bunch of like operation details here, and it says like the wait time and payment option and stuff. So let's just say I'm curious about the wait times of the customer and when I can work on a Sunday, right? So let's just go back. What times can I make a reservation? All right, just like you wouldn't make a booking on the chatbot, you're just asking it questions, all right? So it'd be like, oh, say if it's like at night time, you're confused if you want to make. See, look, you would assume 9 to 5 is the closing days, but well, in this example, apparently you can call it night time, 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. right? So this is why chatbots are useful. What else can I say? This is the most common question you're gonna get. What are your current opening hours? It literally just tells you, right? Just lists it all out. That's it. Knowledge-based question answer. As simple as that. Liam Otley has made this very easy to use, alright? I just made a chatbot with you, alright? You can make it 10 times better. This is rubbish, right? I just quickly put some weird stuff together, right? And yeah, you just need to have your menu and stuff. So if you want to put it into the website, you need to first publish your thing, alright? I'm sure it's yours, alright? And then you want to deploy it. So there's 3 ways to deploy this. You can you can, the really cool thing is you deploy it to any of these as well. Even WhatsApp chat is crazy, right? So yeah, you would click any of these and follow the instructions, but the easiest way to do this is take your code. This is Python, and I'm pretty sure you can just copy and paste this and put it at the very bottom of your page. But just show your engineer or just ask ChatGPT. So yeah, I think you can just index the file in your website. If you're using a website on like VS Code, it'll be probably under index.cs or home.cs, right? One of the pages. You just put this at the bottom, okay? But it's really simple. So if you've made a website by scratch, just copy and paste your code and see where I can import this. Or it's literally as simple as just copy and paste this at some part of your code. Just gotta ask someone where you put that, right? So each website's a bit different. This is the easiest way, just copy and paste this, and it will just appear in the, you've seen those, like just like this. There's a small circle at the bottom, and you'll click on it and you can answer questions, right? This is slightly different. You can customize it fully, right? Give it, customize the logo, customize the main color, all of that, right? So loads of options for you to deploy your thing here. I'd say just go with this. All right, I'm gonna blur this obviously because it has my API key. Can I want that, all right? But yeah, literally as simple as that. I walked you through it. Just make it yourself, all right? I hope you enjoy that. It's a bit different to what we've been doing to have different type of automation. I hope let's see you on day 27, all right?